Hey, fifth grade. This is our first thing that we're going to work on with our science. We're going to be going into a little bit of a health unit. The first thing we're going to talk about is peer pressure. As you can see on the screen, this is going to be the other link in the post. It's a link to a TeacherTube video on peer pressure. You're going to watch that. Once you're done watching that video, you are going to create a poster, either a digital one or a real one, on peer pressure. So the two ways you can make that poster is either you can come over, you can go either into Google Docs, or if you're someone who prefers slides, you can go into that as well. Or if you want, you can just have a sheet of paper or something that you have at home, and if you want to color, you want to draw something about peer pressure, that is totally fine. One thing to keep in mind with this is that there isn't one kind of peer pressure, there's two. There's good and there's bad peer pressure. Bad peer pressure is one that we typically talk about people making us do things that we don't want to do, that might get us in trouble, things like that. But there's also good peer pressure. They talk about it a little bit in the movie or in the video. I think it talks about a friend telling you not to ride a roller coaster after you just ate a bunch of nachos. Obviously, that'd be good peer pressure. So make sure that you include both examples and why we want to be using good peer pressure over bad peer pressure. This is just kind of a fun little project to get us into health. Most of our things in science are going to be project-based, so just get used to doing things like this. Once you've made your poster, all you have to do is take a picture of it and post it to your Seesaw journal. Now, it would be nice if we could finish these posters today after you've watched this video and the other video, because you should have about 50 minutes to work on it. If for whatever reason you can't get it done and you have to work on it tomorrow during your finish up work time right away in the morning, that is totally fine. If you have any questions, again, just shoot me an email. Or, I guess if you need to post something on our Google Classroom, that's fine too. But it should be pretty self-explanatory. Best of luck, and I'm very excited to see what you guys come up with for your peer pressure posters.